Okay, do you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so before we proceed to the main agenda for today, so let me just ask you guys: is anyone who has a question regarding with our week 7? Well, actually, week 6 to week 10 is this module 3 to module 5 with activities, the pre-made video probably. If none, can you guys give me a quick thumbs up just to let me know that you yourself doesn't have a question? Okay, what about the others? Mr. Eda, Mr. Tuwagi, Mr. Pacific, and Mr. Goliath. Any question, guys?
No questions, sir.
Doesn't that Miss Mitas is speaking right now, but I don't know. Maybe she's not. I'm not hearing anything. Anyway, so just let me know if you guys have a question, okay? So let us now proceed to our main agenda. So you guys have proposed, last week. So the due date this one is March 9th, so last week, exact. And then all of your projects are already approved. So I want to see progress. So what's happening now with your project? So we only have 3 groups. So IoT Baguio 1, IoT Baguio 2, and then the other one is, or the last one is different places. Okay. So do we have the group 1 members here? Ms. Cagadas, and I guess Mr. Claverius also. Group 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you guys have any progress with your project? And can you show me or tell me what is the progress now, your project?
Sir, nakabili lang po tapos pinagana isa-isa, gumagana naman isa-isa tapos ang gagawin po ngayon parang pagkakaisa na ganun.
You see? It says here that your project is IoT based temperature and heart rate monitoring. Well, I guess this one you can already buy it on in Shopee or in any electronic shop. Like it's already a module or a device where you can monitor someone's temperature and heart rate, right? What makes your project an IoT device?
Sir, i-upload po namin yung data sa ThingSpeak. Tapos from ThingSpeak meron doon yung something, tapos i-connect din namin siya sa Twilio, tapos yung data na ma-upload ipapasa niya sa through SMS.
Through SMS. So it can do real-time tracking of someone's temperature?
Yes, sir. So bali mag-upload tapos mag-re-receive po.
That's a good thing. So you guys cannot show me, a physical output right now, or next meeting na lang?
Sir, papakita ba ngayon?
Yeah. Kung hindi pa nabuo, it's okay if it's just the components. You have the like for example, the breadboard, the sensor, temperature sensor device itself, and then the one that can monitor the heart rate.
Wait lang, sir.
I just need a quick your components probably for the project itself, so that I know that you guys already have progress, since we now only have like less than 3 weeks from now before your before the end of term, April 8th. So again, there will be no final exam anymore. Whatever is your final project, that's already your final exam. Okay.
Sir, ito lang po. Sir, meron kaming ESPN,
Yes.
tapos meron na yung pulse rate sensor, tapos ito po, temperature sensor. Inaayos pa lang po yung code.
Okay. So
Pero may account na sa TeamSpeak.
for now, you can upload maybe pictures, maybe one real picture, like that one, the one that is in front of you. Kahit magulo, okay lang. And then one schematic layout, maybe you can use FreeSync if you want. Just submit that one in our project progress. Just so that I can check something, because this one is also 50 points. And then you can just probably keep on updating that one from time to time. Maybe for now it's just the draft, and then next week maybe some of your sensors or maybe features of your project now is working, and then maybe by April 1, I don't know, maybe April 6 or April 7, so you should be almost done with your project. So I will still accept your project until April 8. Well, yeah, 3 weeks from now.
Okay po, sir.
All right, so very good. We group 1. This you have already the components. What about the group 2? Anyone from group 2? Ms. Madriaga? Or any representative from group 2? Your project is called an IoT-based temperature controlled fan with an RGB LED light for home power optimization. So it's a fan. Anyone from group 2? Don't tell me that there's no group 2 member here right now. Miss Dapyawen. Okay, she's not here. What about Mr. Damondon? Mr. Damondon, you're here. John Paul. Damondon? Are you there right now? Golidan, you're here. Golidan or Golidan? I think it's Golidan. Golidan, Mr. Golidan. Hello? Am I audible? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Group 2. Mr. Pua. Ms. Mitas. Mr. Magilao. Ms. Nalika. And Mr. Tuwagi. Anyone who would like to speak up for the group, for the entire group? And what is
No,
the
sir.
progress with the project? Okay, Mr. Pua.
Sir, currently in progress namin, sir. Wala pa masyado, sir.
Okay. So like you don't have the components yet?
Wala pa, sir.
Anong ginawa nyo? Kailan ba to? March 9. So it's like a week from now since the project proposal. So anyway, you guys still have 3 weeks from now. So I just hope that next week, next meeting, you'll already have the progress, and then you'll be able to finish it one before April 8. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about the last group? The the one that's different places. So your proposal is humidity and temperature detector using Arduino through web server.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyone who would like, okay, Mr. Viteño?
Sir, yung sa amin po, magdadetect lang siya ng temperature and humidity, then ipopost sa thingspeak.com. Sa amin, sir, okay na dun sa may coding banda. Medyo patapos na din kami, sir. Ang problema lang namin, yung sa components banda. Kasi meron sa akin yung components dito. Ang problema lang namin kung sino yung magpo-put up together nung project, sir. Kasi magkakaiba kami ng lugar.
Oo nga eh. So that is why I told you guys, just let one person to buy all the components so that that person will be the ones going to build the project. And then yung iba, they're just going to, send the payment by GCash. Yung contribute na lang sila. Okay. Kasi mahirap
Okay,
kapag
sir.
iba't iba yung bibili ng project, I mean yung components. Siyempre, you have to meet in one place, and that is a big problem since both of them, in different places. Well, but it's almost done.
Opo, sir. Almost done na siya. Tapos na dun sa may bandang coding, parang ide-deploy na lang namin siya. Itatry namin kung working ba talaga, sir.
To the physical hardware or the well, I guess for now, you can take a screenshot of your codes, space it on a Microsoft Word probably, and then just submit it on the project progress. Anyway, this one is not a one-time. This is not a one-time submission. You can submit from time to time. You can update your unlimited. We have unlimited attempts right here, so that I just know that you guys have at least a progress to your project. Okay. So whatever is your progress, just submit it right here. Okay, on the project progress.
Yes po, sir. Thank you, sir.
So I hope by next week, March 23, most of you are like almost done, or at least 50% of the entire project is already done. So that probably March 30, all of you are like done or almost done, so that the remaining days will be like, could be your free time since you're already done with the project. And just like what I've mentioned before, we're not going to have a final exam anymore. Whatever is your final project, that is already your final exam. Okay. So yeah, I guess you guys are doing good. I guess there will be no INC for this subject if so ever. So I'm happy with that already. Okay. Well, anyway, so if you guys have a question, maybe that I can help you with your projects, just let me know. Just message me here. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today. So a blessed day to all of you guys. As always, thank you guys for coming. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you, and you guys may go now. Okay, I just want to just check the progress of your project. So goodbye and thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too, and goodbye.